one-room hotel, drowning my sorrow, wishing for yesterday's love with a beloved tomorrow. Well, nothing else matters, the past is all that I'm living for. But now I know for a fact she's not coming back to me no more. 'Cause a little bird told me, I heard it so clear. He perched on my shoulder and sang in my ear. He said it's all over, now it's plain to see. No question about it, 'cause a little bird told me. Well, I knew in my mind she was the kind to forgive me, and there was no doubt that she'd only pout for a while. But days have gone by, and I wonder why she won't call. Well, I guess it's plain to see she's through with me once and for all. 'Cause a little bird told me, I heard it so clear. He perched on my shoulder and sang in my ear. He said it's all